Hi everyone, we are here today at Tablea Chocolate Cafe at JY Square Mall, where they are releasing their guilt-free menu for the month of November. Tablea Chocolate's usual orange menu goes blue as they add their guilt-free delights for the month of November.
We started doing this last October for Pink October, which is for breast cancer awareness, and we're doing it now again. Since World Diabetes Day is actually on November 14, we at Tablea wanted to carry this over for the whole month of November also to raise awareness.
We will soon be celebrating the World Diabetes Day, which will be on November 14. So, as an owner also of this chocolate company, I realized that we should also share and come up with product so as not to deprive, diabetics.
The new menu includes low sugar and even sugar-free goodies such as their blueberry cheesecake, bun cake, crunchy cacao beans, spreads, and black chocolate drink. Purchasing from Tablea's new menu goes beyond enjoying a guilt-free delight. You yourself can take part in spreading diabetes awareness, as 10% of the proceeds from this month's menu goes to their partner support group Sweet Alert Inc.
Now, Sweet Alert is an organization that helps to prevent and control diabetes, especially among the young, through education. So it's a preventive aspect. So during the year, our group goes out for screening for newly diagnosed diabetics and then educating children so that they don't become diabetics.
And I would like to invite all of you to savor our new products, especially for those who are experiencing, who have diabetes already and who are also in the borderline. You should not be deprived. Come to Tablea and experience our new array of products, developed just for you.
Tablea has branches in JY Square Mall in Cebu City, P. Remedio Street in Mandaue City, and Ariana Hotel in Dipolog City. You can also check out their Facebook page and Instagram at Tablea Chocolate. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Raya de Guzman.